Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Velocity Detailing. As you can see, I've got an absolute classic here to work on, the Lotus Esprit Turbo. Before we do any kind of correction, every car must go through all of the decontamination stages. So here we are, just giving it a wash, decontamination to prep it for the polishing. The car's now inside, it's been dried off, it's been panel wiped, and now we're going through the masking process to make sure all of the vulnerable edges are taped off to avoid any catching from the machine polisher. So this car has had a full respray, head to toe, front to back. And as you'll see that there are lots of defects left in the paintwork that weren't tidied up, so my focus is to remove all those defects, such as the hologramming, sanding marks, swirl marks, and so on. For anyone interested, I do tend to mix up my combinations of pads, compounds, the suppliers, the brands that I use. But for a while I've been using Lake Country pads for a while, and I about 3 or 4 months ago moved on to Angel Wax compounds, and I seem to have settled on a nice combination that I'm happy with and seems to work for me and get the results that I require. That's the cutting stage done. Now moving on to the finishing stage, and this is where we really bring the clarity into the paintwork. And that's 3 days worth of polishing done. Time to clean the panels down and prep for the ceramic coating. So this is the second car that I've completed for this client. The first car I applied a Pyramid Car Care 9H 5-year ceramic coating, and he was really pleased with the results of that coating, so I thought I would be best to match the performance of that ceramic coating on this other car, so I opted for the same one again. As with any ceramic coating job, I complete the interior work for free, so here I'm just finishing off the glass work. Here's my friend Richard from Inspired Automotive Imagery. Richard is an absolute natural and talent for automotive photography. He picks out all the features from the cars and captures them in some beautiful fine art imagery. Please do go and check out his work, Inspired Automotive Imagery, and him on Instagram as well. And that's me done for now. I just want to say thanks for watching. Please do consider subscribing, hit the like button, drop a comment or a question below. All of that does help the algorithm and me reaching out to more potential viewers. I hope to catch you on the next one.